Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to explain how to send your worksheet. First, you shall access the link previously shared in class. For example, this activity. Okay? Complete this activity, all space, and finally, for example, is incorrect. For example, click in finish and complete all information. Enviar mis respuestas a mi profesor. Send answer to teacher. Write your name, group, subject, and this part you should write the code previously shared by teacher. For example, this code is all today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.